This is a winter storm on Friday morning. It's actually afternoon. There's too much snow, as you can see everywhere. There's feet of snow. My neighbor actually helped me out, try to get out my Camry. But didn't work out. Even though if I take my Camry out, I'm not gonna go nowhere because overall on the street the snow is too thick. Okay, let's try to get to the basement segment. Okay, there we go. I'm so much into the snow right now, as you can see. It's now just made its own shapes. These were my tracks. And here we go. As you can see, this is all covered up like a blizzard mountains. Okay, let me try to get out from there. It's up to my knees some places. And look at the bottom. If I even just jump in, there are 5 steps here. If I even just jump in, nothing gonna happen to me because there's so much covered in snow. Oh boy, I have to take all that out. God bless.